Hey guys, this is Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody out there doing today? Do me a favor, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Go ahead and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos, okay? Today I'm here real quick just to show you what was included. I received this package from Impact Mailing Club, okay? This is the Sapphire Welcome Kit, okay? I actually came in at the time where you join as a Sapphire and you get upgraded to the next level, the Diamond level, okay? So I'm at the highest level where I can make those $1,000 commissions, but they sent me my Sapphire Welcome Kit, okay? So just want to show you that real quick. But if you're here for the first time and not sure what Impact Mailing Club is, it's a direct mail program, guys, that sells leads, okay? Buyers leads, people that's interested in making money from home. So even if you have a program that you're happy about and you love your program, but you need more sales and you need people to look at your offer, we sell leads, okay? So I'll put the link below and you can buy leads, okay? But if you join the club, okay, and buy one of our lead package memberships, you can resell the lead packages and make a commission, all right? So, but I'm gonna show you real quick what's inside. All I did is open the top, but I'm going to pull this out so you can see what's in the Sapphire Welcome Packet. All right, so let's see. Okay, this is the first item. Check this out. Okay, inside, let's see. Okay. Inside here is, let's take a look. There's a cover letter. It's a whole welcome packet. Everything they actually emailed me. I received all this via email already. Okay? Cover letter and a guide. Okay? And then they sent me my leads. Okay? Here's more leads. This is 400 leads right here. On peel and stick labels. Okay, so I have that. This is pretty neat. I like the box. Okay, let's see, how do we get this box back? Okay. Real cool. Okay, let's see what else is in the box. Okay. Postcards. Oh yeah, you get 200 postcards, guys, in the Sapphire package. Oh, these are a little different than what they sent initially. Okay, so you get postcards, and then let me flip it over on the back so you can check that out. Okay, so I have, okay, that's it. Okay, so I've got 200 postcards. I remember them telling me that via email. So I have 200 postcards. And now we have them where they give you the template, you email the postcard template, and all you have to do is contact your printer, your printing vendor, to get them printed. And I have a great company where you can get these at a great price, okay? So when you join my team, I will give you that resource. As well as if you join my team with Impact Mailing Club, I'm going to provide you extra leads, okay? And I'm going to get you a custom letter, cover letter. We have a sales funnel for our team. If you want to market this online, we have a sales funnel. You don't have to, that's optional. Okay? And then we have some great marketing resources for you to help you succeed with this program. These are really nice. Okay? So we have that, and this is the Impact Mailing Club. It's a little box that they put the cover letter and the leads in. So this is an awesome program. Okay, let me see. In here, I'm sure they gave me that. Let's see, hang on. I'm going to give you those packages once again, and you decide which one you want to join at, guys. I'll be happy to work with you. But you can't get any simpler than mailing, okay? Okay, so there's 4 levels. The Emerald level. Okay, the Emerald level is only $100, and all you need to do is send in $100 and 2 books of stamps, and you can make $65 for everybody that buys that package from you. The Ruby package is $250 plus 4 books of stamps, and you're going to be able to make $150 for everybody you resell this package to. The Sapphire package is $500 plus 4 books of stamps. Every time you sell a Sapphire package, you make $300, guys. The top package is the Diamond package, $2,000 plus 5 books of stamps, and you're able to make $1,000 commissions. So when I came in, they had this great promotion. If you join at the Sapphire, they will upgrade you for free to the Diamond package, okay? So that's what I end up upgrading, getting the free upgrade. So I'm at the top level, okay? So again, join me in Impact Mailing Club. You join the club, you're also able to get your leads at a discount, okay? And we can resell leads. If someone doesn't want to join the Impact Mailing Club, you're able to just resell leads at the retail cost, okay? So it's a great way to make some income by mailing letters, guys. And I have some customized envelopes. I'll be happy to share my resource with you on that. But get started with me. And this system comes in Spanish as well, guys, okay? So we have the English version and we have the Spanish version, all right? So with that being said, that's all I've got for you today. I just wanted you to see what comes inside of the Sapphire package. And I'll put the link below so you can get started. And again, I will match the leads that the company gives you, okay? So another great incentive to join my team. I've been doing direct mail since 2013. All right, so with that being said, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload new videos. I'll see you guys on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.